Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, the good folks over at Kansept EDC have sent us a few things to check out, and today we are checking out the Scavenger. It, of course, is their newest ballpoint EDC pen. Now, as you can see, we've got a few different versions to show you. They actually sent out 3 of the... Oh, shoot, there's quite a few different versions. But as you can see, we have the 3 to check out. Now, all of these are going to be titanium. This one we'll take a look at real quick. You've got the American flag pattern going on there. A nice looking pen. They're all bolt action pens. Top mount pocket clip, which I really like. That means they're going to be deep in pocket. Now, these are all a design collaboration with Kevin Passon, P-A-S-S-O-N, and I'm sure I probably said his name wrong, and I'm sorry if I did. But, now this is kind of the purplish version of the American flag. You've got this frag pattern, anodized purple, that they sent out. And then this one they call the Viking. And you can see why it has different Viking-related symbols on it. Let's see, where's that one? There we go. You got the skull and crossbones. You got kind of a sun or sun pattern. You've got a cool pattern. I'm not sure what that is. And then you've got the club and the spade. But these kind of rotate around. I mean, this one's kind of a fidget as well. You can sit there and spin those what you want. But like I said, bolt action. Very smooth action on them. In and out. No issue. Now, when you're taking these apart, there it comes. That one, it's a very good seam. Now this one, you've got a Schmidt refill P900, made in Germany. And all of them write very, very nicely. Oh, where's my... Oh, I need paper. Here we go. I'll grab a piece of paper here. But we've got... I mean, they sent out these 3. They sent out... Oh, what did they send out? They sent out the cursor, which we'll be checking out. The twister. But, right, very smoothly. If I remember right, they're all black ink. Yep, all black ink. And no, I am not writing anything specific. And I'm pretty sure they all have the Schmidt refills in them. Let's double check. Yep, they've all got the Schmidt refills in them. The nice thing about this, we can get this put together. Watch. The milling on that is really nice. I mean, you can obviously tell because the lines don't match up. But very, very well milled out and lightweight. This one, of course, is a little bit heavier because, well, it's just a heftier. Obviously, it's a much more heftier pen than either one of these. This one is super. All right, we're gonna get the scale over here. That one is super light. Geez, 29 grams. An ounce? Okay. Now let's check out the big boy. Yeah, 1.8. That's like bug out weight. 50 grams. Nothing too major. But all 3 of them, very solid, very sturdy pens. Clips, very nice. And like I said, I like their top mounted clips because that just sets them nice and deep in pocket. You guys know I'm a big fan of deep carry. Whether it be a knife, whether it be a pen, whatever. Deep carry. Pretty cool. But all 3 of these, and like I said, they've got several different versions. These are just 3 of. I was kind of surprised when they sent 3 of them out. But they're ranging anywhere from $55 to $83, wherever, you land. I know we've got a lot of pen fans out there. Might be interested in checking them out. So please do so. But just wanted to share them with you today. I really kind of like the Frag, to be perfectly honest with you. I haven't been a real big fan of the Frag pattern on knives, but on that pen, it really, really helps with the grip. So, anyway, 3 nice pens from Kansept EDC. Huge shout out to Kansept EDC for sending these out to check out. And thank you guys for swinging by and checking them out with me on this Saturday morning. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope I see you on SKL tonight, Saturday Knife Live. Until then, have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.